Greetings, mbalamusizaako mwena mikwano gyange. Leero njagala kwogera ku nsonga bbiri zokka. Njagala okusooka okwebaza aba MPs baffe. Mwebale nnyo, mwebalire ddala. Mwe aba NUP, aba opposition, n'aba NRM abali reasonable. Mwebale nnyo kuteeka parliament ku muliro. Thank you for raising the issue of our missing brothers and sisters and the political prisoners. Ndabye nga leader of opposition ayogera ku Kibalama John Bosco gwe babuzaawo, which is a fact. John Bosco Kibalama bamuwamba in 2019. Now it's 4 years he's missing. 4 years. Atengo yu Prime Minister Museveni Nabanja yavayo na gamba Kibalama bamwina. These people abduct our brothers and sisters and they keep them as slaves. They are facts into waliyo abaganda bafe bako kipingireyo ku island. Bali kuchizinga baba kwesanga ba slave bomunyiza nga akusulira gonyange kulia. So many of our people and those the survivors benayogerako nabo era ne bambulira nti wekito wekiri banji nyo bamisinga tebalabikanga ko kati Kibalama bayinza okuba bamu enslavinga obanga bamuta obanga aliyeyo just bamukwesanga example kulaga abantu tebasobola okuwamba no missing ebbanga lyonna. Nabanja knows where exactly Kibalama is because she talked about him. Kibalama has been missing for 4 years. So thank you very much MPs for raising that plight. Era the families are confident, they are happy. The families abaganda bafe bonna abamisinga ne ba political prisoners njagadde mufune esubi mbere confident manye nti one day those are brothers and sisters will resurface. Then ensonga eyokubiri era njagala okusaba mwenna abaganda bafe abali ku social media, please focus on that. Waliwo ensonga lwaki regime egezaako kuleta diversion ezenjawulo. There's a reason why they try to divert the conversation. Waliwo ensonga lwaki bategezaako creating obusonga songa nga bayita wano ne wali. Please don't be diverted. Tebababuzaabuza tebabajja ku mulamwa. Major on the majors. Kati regime eno eri on the fix. No other person should go missing and disappear. Our brothers and sisters are missing. They know exactly they are. Chovolaba teibu abadagezaako okubuzaabuza. I salute the MPs bebagobye mu parliament. Honorable Namboze, Zake, Kabuye, Nyeko, Joyce Bagala n'abalala bangi. Stand firm. You are not in parliament on Taibwa's invitation. No, Taibwa si aba invited okuja mu parliament. No, naiba amulonda bulonza ate bagamba yabba nabubbi. So don't be intimidated. Stick on the facts. Our people are watching you. Baganda bafe munabali ku social media. Please amplify this issue. Wawe wali ensonga endala esayina makulu mbasaba temuziwa makulu. Thank you very much for God and my country.